Hi everyone, welcome to the O'Connor Elder Law channel. I am your host, Melissa O'Connor. Today I'm continuing with my theme of addressing common misconceptions that I hear from prospective clients or clients when we are discussing Medicaid planning. Many times I have people come to my office, and when we start to talk about transfers of funds, because we're exploring whether or not we need to be concerned with any fund transfers during our 5-year look-back period in anticipation of applying for Medicaid, a common misconception or a common theme that I hear is, oh, you know, my mom has transferred $15,000 to her grandkids every year, but that doesn't count because they seem to think that the gift tax, the transfer, the federal estate and gift tax transfer has something to do with Medicaid, and indeed it has nothing to do with Medicaid. So while your tax advisor may have advised you that you can make these transfers and there's very little estate or gift tax implications with that magic number, that number has nothing to do with Medicaid. And so those transfers of even those large sums of money come into play when we are looking to apply for Medicaid. And many times families are shocked to learn this because now we have to calculate a penalty, or those loved ones need to return the money to grandma because the penalty is too great, and those monies need to be returned to her so that way we can address them and they can properly apply and qualify for Medicaid to meet their needs. So it's a unique process. Medicaid, everybody's plan is different, but I did want to leave you with the understanding that the estate gift tax and its thresholds that you may have in your mind from your accountant or your tax professional have nothing to do with gifting when it comes to applying for Medicaid. That those figures and those amounts that you may have set in your head that you think are permissible are not related to Medicaid planning, and that the 5-year look back period, we look back to all transfers. So even, you know, depending unless your CPA is really savvy on Medicaid planning, they may not be familiar with this provision and understand that those transfers do have an impact on their client, you know, that they're preparing the taxes for, otherwise giving tax advice, should that person need to be anticipating long-term care needs that include qualifying for Medicaid. I hope that this information has been helpful to you. I encourage you to like and share my videos with anybody in your community that you think would benefit from this. If you or a loved one are looking to qualify for Medicaid as part of your long-term care plan, I encourage you to seek out an elder law attorney to help guide you through this process. As I've said repeatedly, planning for Medicaid is unique. No two plans are the same. No two people are the same. Even a husband and wife's plans may be different. Everybody's assets are different. Your health and age, your age is different. Your health conditions are different, and your goals are different. And so I encourage you, if this is one of your long-term care options, Medicaid, and you are looking to create a plan, that you reach out to an experienced counsel to be able to help you and guide you through this process. Thank you again. I look forward to talking to you soon.